if your head's kind of spinning, you say, where do I start? Here's kind of 3 very, very simple rules. So the first one is add the code. Even if you're trying to figure out how to use it, how to best fit it, add the code anyway. The reason being is because you're not going to gain any historical data. Once you add the code, that's when you'll start getting data. So you won't have anything for the last year, 10 years, whatever. So once you add the code, you'll actually start collecting data. From there, don't think about analytics. Just figure out what are the 3 to 5 goals that are important to you. And make sure they're kind of SMART goals. So specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. And so it's thinking about those goals. They're different for everybody. So they could be, 10% increase in traffic by the end of the year. Ranking for keywords, having a certain conversion rate for your goals. It's by thinking about what makes sense for you that you then can go to the next stage and find what report that works for you. A lot of the times, even when I log into analytics, you get really excited by the reports, but you get overwhelmed. And so that's why I say pick your goals first and then find the report that matches, because otherwise it'll get too confusing. So 3 simple things. Again, you can always adapt this. You can always change your goals or add on to them, but just start simple and then kind of build out. Okay, so 3 kind of big takeaways to remember about Google Analytics. Just remember that it provides you feedback on your website effectiveness. It actually gives you the metrics. It gives you the data. It's based on that data that it allows you to continue to improve. Unfortunately, your website is never done. You're always adding content. You're always making changes, always upgrading. So that's where analytics comes in, and it provides you that concrete data. And the last one, add the code now. Again, as I mentioned, you'll never get historical data. So the sooner you can add it, the more data you'll have moving forward.